So you just saw there is no limit for the usage of internet. So this is just a vague word what you can do online. You can do almost everything which you haven't thought 20 years back that can be done on internet. But now you can do everything. See, on mobile, smartphone, you have data. Everything can be done. Previously, it would be 2G, and first internet came with I remember 1 hour. I have to pay say $100, 100 rupees, 1 hour, and the speed was so less. Sometimes my page will open, sometimes it will not. But now it's 5G scenario. So whatever you can think, the speed is not the limit now. The data bandwidth is not a limit. So you can do immense work, variety of work. First is searching information. If you remember, Alta Vista and different kind of websites or search engine were there. But when Google came, it revolutionized the world, revolutionized the internet community. Now, and because the Google is just not a simple search engine, right? You just have to put your words. What do you want to find out? Every link, whichever is possible, and most relevant link will come. So it has on the background searching, crawling, indexing, different kinds of algorithms, strong algorithm. So most of the time, the first 2-3 links, you will get what you want. So Google is for searching. Then entertainment. You want to listen to music, Gaana.com and even the YouTube.com. YouTube is a Google product only. You can watch movies, Instagram, share pictures, Instagram, Facebook. There's so many, Twitter. Email and chatting. Previously, we used to write letter by our hand and there is a whole channel it should pass. Chatting. Now you just open the data and use Line Messenger, Hike Messenger, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, and just chat. Gmail, Outlook, these are email services provided by Google and of course Microsoft Outlook. Social networking. Now, initially, you might not be knowing, there was a social networking site which came up. It was called Orkut.com. Orkut. Present generation might not know it. People got crazy. They were finding friends. They were making, they are dating here. So many things they were doing. After that, Facebook came. Mark Zuckerberg. When he came, and this Facebook came, again, it revolutionized the social networking. Most of the MIT, Massachusetts Information Technology, Institute of Technology, whoever are the dropouts, they've done something really good. Steve Jobs, Mark Zuckerberg. People are still crazy about Facebook. It's more than 10 years, I guess. Orkut finished. Facebook everywhere. So what is the important thing? The searching way. So the friend of a friend of a friend, and then you'll see, oh, this guy was sitting in my sixth class with me on my table, on my desk. And now the most popular is Twitter. So Twitter is a micro blogging. Donald Trump. People say that he won through Twitter. So these are social networking, connecting with people. Shopping. You have them, the richest person, Jeff Bezos, Amazon head. So just try to find out what you want to search, add it to cart, pay, and relax. After 2-3 days, a delivery person will come and he'll give it to you. Sitting on your computer and just buying things. Shopping. Online booking. You can book movie tickets, rail, hotel, bus, train, plane. Even some program is there, occasion is there. Book my show. Okay. So you don't need any ticket now. just show the mobile, the ticket on the mobile. Online learning. See, in COVID times, what happened? Everyone was locked inside the house. How to study, how to do the basic learning for the kids. It's very important because they cannot lose 1 year. So now everyone went to Zoom, then Google Meet, and so many platforms. And now this online learning is a new normal. Everyone is having webinars, seminars on this virtual systems, virtual way. Even the interviews are being taken through online. And online learning, the educator has to sit in his house, others have to sit in their house, and they learn. They understand, they ask questions. Even the exams are held online. Online banking. Now previously, especially in India and the developing country, you have to go to a bank and the counter will say, go to counter 6, go to counter 9, and whole day for updating your passbook. It's whole day work. Okay. Now what you do? You just open an app, ICICI or CBIC. Just enter the IFSC code, account number, send the money, take the money. Okay. And even QR codes now. Just scan the code and send the money. So this is the online banking. And all this is because of data services, internet. Now the question comes,